Hi, this is Hypnotherapist John Morgan, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first visit, let me say, welcome again. If you're a return visitor, it's nice to have you back. I request that while you're here that you hit the subscribe button and be the first to know about the new self-improvement videos and mini podcasts that I've recorded. In this video, I'm going to share 2 words with you that will improve your communication skills and have you ask questions that result in less confrontation and more engagement. It's a small lesson that has large results, so let's dig in. Sometimes, questions can feel like barbs. Pretend for a moment that you're on the witness stand and you're being peppered with questions. When did you go there? How many times? Were you there on the night of the crime? Did you see the victim the day of the murder? You can feel yourself backing up when you're on the receiving end of a barrage of questions and you feel under assault. But even a single pointed question can make someone feel that way as well. Very direct questions can put people on the defensive and may lead to a contentious confrontation. What to do? Learn to use 2 magic words before asking your question and watch your inquiry land more softly on someone's ears. These 2 words act as pillows, not daggers. They soften your question. The 2 magic words are wonder and curious. To use our courtroom law and order example, sound out the following questions and compare them to the previously stated ones and see which one feels less assaulting. I wonder if you were there on the night of the crime. I'm curious if you saw the victim on the day of the murder. This tiny shift in language can make a big difference on how your question is received. Certainly, an attorney in court isn't as well served by these softeners because their objective may be to make the person feel uncomfortable and get them off balance. But if your objective is not to make your question sound threatening, I invite you to get curious about these 2 magic, softening words, wonder and curious. Now here's an added bonus. Using the word wonder will get people to wonder right along with you. For example, I wonder if it's going to rain on Saturday. I wonder how our football team is going to do on Sunday. I wonder if Bill Gates buys lottery tickets. Did you notice that you were wondering right along with me? Using the word wonder is especially useful if you're walking someone down a path towards a specific outcome. You get them to wonder about what you're wondering about. It's a very effective way of planting suggestions without directly suggesting. Here's my final suggestion. Get curious about adding wonder and curious to your vocabulary, especially if you'd rather be in a pillow versus a knife fight. All the best, John.